Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tempura shrimp from Costco. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is key for achieving that perfect crispy coating. Next, take your frozen tempura shrimp directly from the freezer and arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure each shrimp has a little breathing room. This helps them cook evenly and get wonderfully golden brown. Now, place your baking sheet with the shrimp into the preheated oven. You'll want to bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through, around the 5 or 6 minute mark, to ensure both sides get equally crispy. They're ready when they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel firm to the touch. For food safety, ensure they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're short on time, the air fryer is a fantastic option. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the shrimp in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. You might need to cook them in 2 batches. Air fry for 6 to 8 minutes, shaking the basket gently halfway through. This method delivers incredibly crispy shrimp in about half the time. Once your tempura shrimp are perfectly cooked and golden, it's time to serve them up. They are best enjoyed immediately while still hot and crispy. Pair them with your favorite dipping sauces, a sweet chili sauce, a classic soy sauce, or even a homemade spicy mayonnaise works wonderfully. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Enjoy your delicious, restaurant-quality tempura shrimp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.